Craig Revel Horwood is currently the only original judge left on the Strictly Come Dancing panel, as Bruno Tonioli is still in America due to travel restrictions. Made iconic by his grumpy attitude and harsh criticism, Craig is also a well-known lover of musicals. Sadly, it was revealed earlier this week that he would be missing Musicals Week this weekend on the BBC Dance show. The veteran judge will not be sitting on the panel for Week 9 after receiving a positive COVID-19 result. Confirming his absence, a Strictly spokesperson said, Craig Revel Horwood has tested positive for COVID-19 and is now self-isolating following the latest government guidelines. While Craig will not be taking part in Strictly Come Dancing this weekend, all being well he will return the following week. The BBC has announced today, Friday, November 19th, who Craig's replacement will be for Musicals Week. Sitting in Craig's seat will be award-winning singer and actress Cynthia Erivo. She will join fellow judges Motsi Mabuse, Anton Dubeka and head judge Shirley Ballas in handing out the scores for this week's routines. Cynthia has starred in various theatre productions across the world, including Sister Act UK, The Colour Purple and The Umbrellas of Cherbourg. She played the lead role of Aretha Franklin in the third season of Genuous and was the titular character in 2019 movie biopic on Netflix. Cynthia has a few other major roles coming up which will see her center stage on the big screen. Cynthia will portray the Blue Fairy in the new adaptation of Pinocchio, which is slated to come out next year. She is currently filming for the new Luther movie alongside Idris Elba and will star as Elphaba in the highly anticipated film version of musical Wicked. So it's fair to say that Cynthia has more than enough credentials as an expert in the musical field to judge the remaining 7 couples in Week 9. Cynthia may only be joining the panel for 1 week, but she cannot wait for her Strictly experience to begin. Shetland Jimmy Perez star responds to show backlash, cast Rose and Giovanni connection will go beyond Strictly, says expert. Opinion Bill Bailey told to give Glitterball trophy back minutes after winning. Explainer, Cynthia said, I'm so delighted to be joining the Strictly judging panel for Musicals Week. Musicals have a unique place in my heart, it's such a special way of connecting all art and making it one. I'm excited to bring my experience to the show and I can't wait to see what the couples have in store this weekend. The competition is getting tougher each week as the contestants continue to up their game. More to follow. Reese Stevenson and Nancy Shue rose to the top in Week 8, scoring the perfect 40 for their Charleston. Roselling Ellis and Giovanni Pernice also got the judges on their feet with their emotional couples choice routine, which featured a silent moment to portray what it is like for the deaf community watching the show. Meanwhile, it was a very different story for AJ Audrud and Kai Widrington, who came bottom of the leaderboard following their Paso Doble. But it is still all to play for, with Musical Week the perfect opportunity to go all out and impress. Strictly Come Dancing returns on Saturday, November 20th, at 6:35 p.m. on BBC One.